The Messy One by Christiane Jones. Illustrated by Juana Martinez Neal. Vivian was messy. She was a messy eater. She was a messy painter. And of course, she had an extremely messy room. It bothered her mom. Vivian! It bothered her dad. Oh, Vivian! It bothered her sister. Vivian, where is my favorite shirt? However, being messy did not bother Vivian. Vivian was very proud of being messy. She was so proud that she made a special necklace declaring this fact. Vivian wore her necklace every day. It was her favorite accessory, and she rarely left home without it. But on one especially messy morning, Vivian could not find her special necklace. She searched high, she searched low. Vivian searched every room in the house. Well, every room except one. Vivian knew what she had to do. It wasn't going to be easy, but it had to be done. "Stand back, everyone!" she yelled. "I can do this!" And with great determination, Vivian started to clean her room. And when sweat dripped in her eyes, did Vivian quit? No! She wiped that sweat away and kept cleaning. Vivian folded a mountain of clothes. And when that mountain tumbled on top of her, did Vivian quit? No! She picked everything up and started again. Vivian gathered piles and piles of toys. And when she slipped on one of her little cars, did Vivian quit? No! She dusted herself off and forged ahead. After a full afternoon of sweat, tears, and cleaning, Vivian was finally finished. Her entire room was clean. "I did it!" Vivian yelled in delight. And where did Vivian find her special necklace? It was in her jewelry box, right where it belonged. After that day, Vivian changed. She was still a messy eater. She was still a messy painter. But she was no longer messy when it came to her room. And that was a good place to start.